Deleting a file or folder. Step 1. Select the file or folder to be deleted. Step 2. From the Home tab, click on Delete in the Organize group. Restoring deleted files or folders. The file or folder we delete moves to the recycle bin. We can restore it back to its original location. Step 1. Double-click on Recycle Bin icon on the desktop to open the Recycle Bin window. Step 2. Select the file or folder that you want to restore. Step 3. Click on Restore the selected item from the Manage tab. The file or folder gets restored to its original location from where it was deleted. Deleting the files or folders permanently. The deleted files in the recycle bin are stored in the hard disk. If we want to clean the storage space of our computer, we can delete the file permanently from the recycle bin. Step 1. Open recycle bin. Step 2. Click on Empty recycle bin from the Manage tab. The items stored in recycle bin will be permanently deleted from the hard disk.